All right, we'll get you up to speed with the in fact the headlines in fact in a moment from now. But let's get you details on how things are playing out in the state of Karnataka. Politics over murder of a Congress corporator's daughter Neha Hiramat in Karnataka's Hubli escalating. Karnataka BJP has called statewide protest today over the murder of Neha Hiramat in Hubli. Now, condemning the brutal murder of Neha Hiramat, Muslim community is observing self-imposed Bandh from 11 to 3 p.m. in Dharwad. What you're seeing on your screens right now are pictures, in fact, that have come in from Chamarajanagar in Karnataka. Also, BJP National President J.P. Nadda met the family of Neha Hiramat last evening, accusing the state government of being soft on anti-social elements and portraying this incident as something that was done for personal reasons. Nadda also said that if the state can't handle the probe, they must give it to the CBI. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has reiterated that he had given clear instructions to the cops to probe and slam the BJP, saying that party is taking advantage of such issues and creating problems in the state. Karnataka has been rocked by a series of incidents raising questions over law and order in the state. BJP has gone all guns blazing at the Congress government in Karnataka, holding them responsible. For more news on that and for all developments in the state of Karnataka as far as elections are concerned, I'm going to now hand it over to my colleague, Nabila Jamal.
Right. Well, I'm right here on the ground. This is the Hubli incident that's really rocked Karnataka at the moment. The BJP has taken this issue up in arms and across the state have organized protests in multiple locations. We're seeing in Hubli, Dharwad, Bengaluru and extensively in different parts of Karnataka right now, you see heated protests owing to the murder of Neha by this man called Fayaz. Of course, the call that the BJP makes right here is that this is an result of appeasement politics by the Congress party that's leading to cases like love jihad. Huge fallout over this murder. I'm going to take you through all the reactions that's pouring in, political ones, even as J.P. Nadda came down, visited the family in Hubli and said that this is nothing but the Congress's appeasement that's writ large. Have a listen.
जो माताजी ने जिस तरीके से घटना का वर्णन किया है, यह दिल दहला देने वाली घटना है। मुझे जो वक्तव्य मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धारमैया जी का सुनने को मिला और जो वक्तव्य मुझे गृह मंत्री जी परमेश्वरम जी का मिला, वह अत्यंत ही आपत्तिजनक है। उसकी भी जितनी निंदा की जाए वो कम है। यह वक्तव्य तुष्टीकरण से ओतप्रोत होकर एक तरीके से तुष्टीकरण की प्रकाष्ठा है। यदि स्टेट पुलिस असमर्थ है तो मैं सरकार को कहूंगा, प्रदेश को, कि वो सीबीआई को हैंडल करे।
तुष्टीकरण के कारण ही चाहे फैयाज नाम हो और चाहे इस्लाम नाम हो और चाहे सलमान नाम हो, उन लड़कियों का दोष क्या था जिसे कर्नाटक में चाकू से गोथ दिया। वहां की सरकार मूक दर्शक बनी है। ये तो ममता बनर्जी के राज में ये सारे चीज होते रहे हैं। अब कर्नाटक बंगाल से टपना चाहती है। ये देश इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा।
Hate issues should not be, political parties should not take advantage of this issue. The political BJP is known for it. They are taking the issues as political issue.
We have already taken whatever steps that needs to be taken as per the law of the land. And quite naturally, BJP sees this as an opportunity to divide the society, and that's what they're good at doing. We have done all the needful arrests. We have started the process of investigation, and there is no doubt that we will take the most stringent action.
ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು ಆಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೋವಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಷಾದವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸತ್ಯ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.